Good morning, children. Today we will continue with the lesson My Elder Brother. Let's discuss scene 2. The final exams are over and the results are out. Bhaiya said, Alas, I have failed once again. Here, Bade Bhaiya became sad and told he had failed once again. Munna said, Oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Munna said his elder brother that now only 2 years difference between them. Bhaiya said, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. Don't feel proudy. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while in a gilli danda game you might get lucky and hit a goal. But that does not mean you have mastered the game. अगर हम एक बार गिल्ली डंडा खेलते हैं और उसमें तुम विन हो जाते हो, इट डजेंट मीन दैट यू आर मास्टर द गेम, कि तुम वो गेम में मास्टर हो गए हो. यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन लाइफ. When you have to study a subject like algebra and geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. अगर ज्योमेट्री में कोई ABC की जगह पे ACB भी लिख देता है तो भी पूरा का पूरा आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाता है. The examiners will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. मुन्ना से, ओ भाई साहब, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the 9th class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Bhaiya say, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up. Munna say, thinking aloud, thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. जो मुन्ना है वो क्या बोल रहा है, गॉड को थैंक विश करता है एंड बोलता है कि अच्छा हुआ कि अभी स्कूल जाने का टाइम हुआ है, नहीं तो मेरा जो भाई है वो मुझे स्कोल्ड पे स्कोल्ड करता. नाउ लेट्स टॉक सीन 3. The results were out once again and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Then in scene 3, again the results were declared. Again Bhaiya failed and Munna passed. Bhaiya was really upset now. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. अपने बड़े भाई को दुखी देख के जो मुन्ना है वो भी दुखी हो जाता है. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. अब जो मुन्ना है वो कैसा बन गया, नॉटियर बन गया, मीन्स मस्तीखोर बन गया. पहले से भी वर्क कम करने लगा, वो पहले से भी कम स्टडी करने लगा. मुन्ना से टॉकिंग अलाउड, hey, I am lucky, I can pass easily. Now Munna feels proudy. He said, I can pass easily. मैं तो easily pass हो सकता हूँ. I need not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. अब जो मुन्ना है उसे प्राउड फील होता है because he passed again and his elder brother failed 2 times. Then Munna feel proudy and he thought that he didn't need study so hard. He thought that he can play games with his friends and fly kites. One day A kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly he comes face to face with भैया. एक बार काइट्स फ्लाई करते करते मुन्ना दौड़ रहा था तो अचानक से वो अपने भाई के सामने आके टकरा गया. भैया से कैचिंग होल्ड ऑफ मुन्ना's hand. Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in the 8th class and are not studying in a lower class? If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. अगर तुम ऐसा सोचोगे कि मैं तुमसे only one class ahead हूँ and मैं तुम्हें नहीं डांटूंगा, then you are wrong. Still, I am 5 years older than you and will always be. Understanding doesn't come only from reading books. बुक्स रीड करने से अंडरस्टैंडिंग कभी नहीं आती है. लुक एट माँ एंड बाबा. माँ हैज़ नेवर गॉन टू स्कूल एंड बाबा हैज़ ओनली पास्ड 5th क्लास. क्या बोल रहा है? हियर एल्डर ब्रदर scolded his younger brother and said him that look at our parents. His mother has never gone to school and his father has only passed 5th class. मुन्ना से really भैया? Is that true? Then Munna felt surprised and then said, is that true? भैया से yes. There are 1,000 things that they know more than you or me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and to correct us. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? यहाँ पे जो बड़े भैया है वो अपने छोटे भाई को समझा रहा है कि लर्निंग बाय अवर डे टू डे एक्सपीरियंस इज़ एज इम्पोर्टेंट एज लर्निंग इन स्कूल. हम स्कूल में जो सीखते हैं उससे भी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है, हम अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंस से जो सीखते हैं, हमें जो सीखना मिलता है वो भी हमें सीखना चाहिए. मुन्ना से आई डोंट नो भैया. आई वुड टेल बाबा एंड ही वुड रश टू द हॉस्टल. भैया से आई हैड एक्सपेक्टेड दिस आंसर. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. जो हमारे पापा हैं वो हमसे ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, सो उनको पता है कि अब क्या करना है. Then Munna started crying with tears in his eyes. He said, भैया I am sorry. What you say is true. फिर मुन्ना जो है वो अपने आँखों में आंसू लाके बोलता है कि भैया I am sorry. What you say is true. आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो सही है. भैया hugs मुन्ना lovingly. फिर both brothers hugged each other. They hugged lovingly. भैया से I also like to play and fly kites. भैया अगेन दूसरी बार मुन्ना को समझा रहा है कि मुझे भी काइट्स फ्लाई करना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे भी प्ले करना अच्छा लगता है. बट इफ़ आई ऑल्सो प्ले देन हाउ कैन आई वॉच आउट फॉर यू. पर अगर मैं भी तुम्हारी तरह खेलने लग जाऊंगा तो तुम्हारा ध्यान कौन रखेगा? यू आर माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Here an elder brother said his younger brother that he was his responsibility. Munna say, I love you, bhaiya. So here we have completed this lesson. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all also like the love and respect between these two brothers. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a nice day.